Di palista na latat na no. Kita pure gold Wan, rumor kay to. Ha. Bibitan yun to takanin yun.
Join her for the photo opportunity. Tawagin natin yung mga anak at buong kapamilya na ng birthday celebrant for the photo opportunity. You may now take your seat, everybody, and let us enjoy the rest of the day. And once again, welcome to the Adult Bar, and this is Mark, your host. Sana po ay mag-enjoy po tayo hanggang mamaya. Lipstick and lipstick. Lipstick or lipstick. Lipstick or lipstick. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Sorry. Sa-patch video mo siya ng consolation. 5.
Ito lang ang wate. Goodbye, pension. Goodbye. Hello, pension. Sabi nga nila. So, ito, another makot ka. So, today, that's really as you are. Happy birthday. Let's start.
Okay, next is Makpe to Bag.
Hindi garon makita ko, 65 ka, hindi lahat is makakarating ka sa 65. Just like ni Jingjing.
Naman akong kanya yung nalagigita kami na may pag-celebrate. Kita ito.
Ito yung pinapag-api man ng Jingjing.
Okay po.